Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. It's 20th of February 2017. Okay guys, I'm going to talk about the full day analysis of the market. First of all, I have noticed today that the market was kept slow, and this could happen all the time because on Mondays the market is normally slow. So this is the normal routine of the market. Anyways, the few trades are taken, and one of the subscribers has requested me in the morning to show the trade for USD Canadian dollar. So I have also traded USD Canadian dollar, so I'm going to talk about it. So guys, 3 hours ago we have seen a good downfall on USD Canadian dollar, and I was quite bearish on that pair. From the morning the market was making a bullish pattern, and then it went up in the blue zone here. That at the top we have received a sell signal as we received earlier. Okay, I'm just going to talk about that point. So guys, you must know that the previous rejection was from here on 17th of February, and the market is again rejected almost from the same level. So I was just looking for a bearish opportunity on USD Canadian dollar. I have simply placed my sell order and collected a small profit of 751 by trading USD Canadian dollar. So guys, this approach is very powerful. So you must see the resistance levels when you are going to place any trades. Always check the next peak near to you so that you are able to place the right trade. Okay, a small profit is collected on Great Britain Pound USD. As I have told you guys, this is a slow day for trading, so we have to rely on the smaller profits. So as you know, I have already identified and taken a profit on the buy position on Great Britain Pound USD in the morning, and then I was just looking for the bearish opportunity, and I'm just going to talk about one thing here. So you can see from many hours the market was just flat here. I have placed my sell order after doji, and hopefully the next trend is down on Great Britain Pound USD. It should go down from here right now. So guys, as I'm going to close my trades for the day because I do not trade overnight, and that's why I have just quit from the trading on a sell position on Great Britain Pound USD right now. But if you have any positions on sell on Great Britain Pound USD, then definitely you can take a chance, as I'm going to exit right now. So this is the reason I have collected the smaller profit. Okay, another sell position is taken and just collected because I'm not going to trade it anymore. So guys, look, I have received the sell signal at the top, and from the morning, if you watch my previous video that I have posted in the morning, I have already identified that USD Canadian dollar is weak, and I have placed my sell order in the morning and collected my good profit in the day. So guys, again, the market was going down, and you know that when the market hourly candle closes below the dotted blue line, it's the time to take more sell positions, not to buy that pair. And I was also bearish according to the signals report, and this is the trade taken according to the trading system, and 255 is the profit. Okay, USD CHF, again, this is the profit that was taken in the morning. Okay, the last trade that is to be reviewed right now is on New Zealand USD. So guys, we have received a buy signal from the morning, and the market was making a bullish pattern. Even you can see the scalper has also provided us with a buy opportunity. Monitor was green all the day, and look here, hourly candle was closed above the dotted blue line, which was a clear indication that the market will keep on going up. So simply scalped the market for a shorter period of time and collected my profit of 360 by trading New Zealand USD. Okay, guys, now I'm going to give you a little understanding of the signal service today. So maybe the market will react in the later hours of the night. So maybe this could be helpful for some subscribers, as most of the subscribers live in USA and other part of the world. So these would be this signal reports can help them. So this is the overall expectation of the day. Euro USD bullish, and New Zealand USD bullish, and you know this is making a bullish pattern, and I have shown my trade. Great Britain Pound USD bullish, it went bullish during the London hours, and we have already taken a profit on it. USD JPY, keep it in mind, it's bearish according to the full day analysis. Australian dollar USD bullish, it's going up. Okay, USD CHF bearish, I have taken 2 trades on USD CHF and shown my profit for all these. USD Canadian dollar bearish expectations, and guys, I am already done with the trade, and I have shown you. And Great Britain Pound JPY bearish. Okay, so guys, if you want to get this trading system, if you want to subscribe to my Forex Signal service, if you want to get the Forex video lessons that are prepared by me, my lessons are quite effective and it definitely improve your style of trading. Or If you are willing to learn from me through Skype coaching, then if you can also request for live coaching. For all these, you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel to stay in touch with the latest updates of forex trading, and like my videos by pressing the like button on the video, and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can benefit from the market. Thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye.